In this short tutorial, I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp profile picture from some contacts. Sometimes, you may not want everyone on your contact list to see your profile picture. Thankfully, WhatsApp provides an option to control who can see your profile picture. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap Privacy. As you can see, there is an option called Profile Photo. Tap on it. Currently, this is set to everyone, which means everyone can see the WhatsApp profile picture. To hide WhatsApp profile picture from some contacts, tap on this option. My Contacts Accept. Then select specific contacts that you want to hide your profile picture from. Tap Done to save changes. Once you've done that, the selected contact or contacts won't be able to see your WhatsApp profile picture. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.